that's pretty much it. You know, first step is choosing your lights. Second step, making sure you have the right size transformer. The third step is going and placing your lights. Then your fourth step is you want to go and run all your wire out. Your fifth step is making all your connections. Your sixth step is going and adjusting all your lights, making sure they're working, making sure that's where you want them. And then the final step is burying all the wire. Once you've done that, you can go and set your controller to auto and let your system run. So one last thing I will talk about is if you want to even make your system a little bit better and make it a smart Wi-Fi system, an easy way to do that, this is one that we use. It's called a WiON Outdoor Wi-Fi Timer. There's lots of smart plugs like this. The reason I like this one is just it's easy to use. You just plug it in and go. It has its own app. It's compatible with Amazon Alexa, and it's designed to sit outside. And basically all you do is take this out of the box, plug this into your GFCI receptacle, and then plug your transformer into this and follow the steps to set it up. And then you just have to put your transformer in the on position and let this be your timer and your switch that you can turn on from Wi-Fi from anywhere in the world, as well as it's got about 7 different programmer options.